म तपाईको साथमा छु. I am with you. I am with you. मलाई कुनै आपत्ति छैन. I have no objection. रिसाउनु हुँदैन. Don't be angry. धिक्कार छ तिमीलाई. Shame on you. Shame on you. तिमी आफैलाई लाज मान्नुपर्छ. You should be ashamed of yourself. मेरो तर्फबाट माफी माग्नुहोस्. Apologize on my behalf. Apologize on my behalf. यो तपाईको गल्ती थिएन. It was not your fault. यसलाई नछोऊ. Don't touch it. मलाई दोष नदिऊ. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. मेरो विश्वास गर. Believe me. Believe me. उसले तिमीलाई बोलाइरहेको छ. He is calling you. He is calling you. अति नै भयो. This is too much. This is too much. तिमी कहिल्यै सुध्रिने छैनौ. You will never change. देखावटी नगर. Don't show off. Don't show off. म त्यस्तो मान्छे होइन. I am not such a person. I am not such a person. तिमी भरोसा योग्य छौ. You are trustworthy. मलाई यसको बानी परेको छ. I am used to it. I am used to it. म तपाईसँग सहमत छु. I agree with you. I agree with you. हुन देऊ. Let it be. म तिमीलाई चिन्छु. I know you. I know you. त्यहाँ केही थिएन. Nothing was there. Nothing was there. अर्को लिऊ. Have another one. Have another one. ठ्याक्कै. Exactly. Exactly. मनमा जे छ बोलिहाल. Speak your mind. Speak your mind. केही त बोल. Say something. Say something. म सक्दो कोसिस गर्नेछु. I will try my best. उसलाई नडराऊ. Don't scare him. Don't scare him. पहिला मलाई जान देऊ. Let me go first. अब मेरो पालो हो. Now it's my turn. मलाई तिम्रो ख्याल छ. I care about you. I care about you. आफ्नो जिन्दगी बर्बाद नगर. Don't spoil your life. मलाई एक उपकार गर्नुस्. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. मलाई यो गाह्रो लाग्छ. I find it difficult. I find it difficult. बहाना नबनाऊ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. मलाई आफ्नो ठान. Consider me yours. Consider me yours. पक्कै केही कुरा छ. It's definitely something. It's definitely something. मलाई जवाफ चाहियो. I need answer. I need answer. मलाई लज्जित नगर. Don't embarrass me. Don't embarrass me. यो खुसीको आँसु हो. These are tears of happiness. These are tears of happiness. मैले फेरि एक पटक सोचे. I thought once again. I thought once again. म जानै लागेको थिएँ. I was about to go. I was about to go. बुझ्ने प्रयास गर. Try to understand. Try to understand. तिमी धेरै बोल्छौ. You speak a lot. You speak a lot. तिमी धेरै बोल्छौ.